How to draw a Popit heart. We're going to begin by drawing a big heart in the middle of our page. Great job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Your hearts look great! Now we're going to add lines going across our heart from the left to the right. For the first line, we're going to start in the middle of the heart and draw a line going to the right. And then we're going to make a line going all the way across from the other side. Now we're going to draw 4 more lines going across our heart, and we're going to make them evenly spaced out. After we're all done drawing the lines on our Popit, we're going to color it in together. You can color yours whatever colors you'd like. We're going to color ours rainbow colors. And make sure to stick around until the very end so that we can add the circles on our Popit together. Now let's go color in our Popits. Wow, I love the colors that you chose. If you need some more time to finish coloring, feel free to pause the video right here. If you're all done coloring, then let's go ahead and add those circles on our Popit. We're going to add one circle on each side of the top section. Then on the section below that, we're going to add 8 circles. If you have a different number of circles than us, that's totally okay. Our drawing is just a guide for yours. On the section below that one, we're going to add 8 circles as well. In the next section, we're going to add 6 circles. In the second to last section, we're going to add 5 circles. And in the last one, we're going to add 1 circle. This is how to draw a Popit heart. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you like step-by-step drawing tutorials, then make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'm looking forward to drawing with you again next time.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.